How to control tomato grubs. Grubs are a destructive nuisance in the vegetable garden. They will eat entire crops, making them unsuitable for human consumption. This can be distressing to the home gardener who depends on growing food to provide for the family. Tomato grubs have a misleading name. They will eat just about every plant in the vegetable garden, including tomatoes. Fortunately, there are commercial chemicals and homemade remedies that can get rid of them and also to prevent them from getting into the vegetable garden in the first place. Things you'll need: garlic, dish soap, spray bottle, insecticide, shovel. Prevent grubs from getting into the garden by treating your tomato plants as soon as you plant them. Use a homemade mixture of water, garlic and dish soap to spray on the leaves of the plants and keep moths from laying their eggs on the plants. Sprinkle the vegetable plants with a dust-containing carbaryl, if you do not want to use homemade products, to prevent grubs and other garden pests before you even see them to keep them at bay. They are almost impossible to remove entirely once they have infected the garden. Watch for any signs of grubs, such as yellowing or browning leaves, rotting stems and holes in the leaves where the grubs were eating. Remove any grubs you see at the first sighting. Look for the worms on the leaves, stems and the fruit of the plant. Spray the plants with a fairly heavy stream of water, as strong as the plants can stand without being damaged. Work from the top of the plant down and spray the undersides of the leaves. Spread a chemical grub control containing thiamethoxam, if desired, on the leaves of the plants as well as around the base of the plants to protect the roots. Tips: warnings. If using a homemade spray, spray the plants at least once a week as soon as they begin to emerge from the soil. It will also be necessary to spray the plants after it rains.